Each night while you're sleeping, to Santa I'll fly, to the North Pole, right through the dark sky.
My foundation, the Be a Coffee Bean Foundation, was donated 200 elves from Lucile, the company that makes the elf on the shelf. And what I'm doing with my foundation is donating these elves to children who have incarcerated parents. When I was in prison, I saw the children of the incarcerated men around me. I thought to myself, if I ever get out one day, I want to do something to impact that population, the children of incarcerated parents.
In the car at the park.
What better place to bring the elf, right? The magic of the elf into a prison, because now, for the 30 days before Christmas, the conversations between the inmate and their child are about, hey, where was the elf hiding? What was the elf doing? And the custodians of the kids are here today too, and they're learning about the elf and the magic of the elf and how it has to be hidden. The elf gets touched, it loses its magic.
It gives me an opportunity to bring something new to her, because we've never done Elf on the Shelf.
Santa won't hear on a scene where I know.
It was very unique because he decided that his was Mike Dorito. So he didn't go by the book, but you know, it's good that they get to be unique with their own names, you know, having their own creative minds.
Okay, that's party.
It's a good feeling to spend time with my family and get to do something new. I've been in prison 8.5 years, so I haven't had a chance to do nothing like this with my son, so it's a great experience, a great opportunity.
What you gonna name him?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. We're not gonna name the elf bye-bye.
It makes you feel good. It's something different, something we need, you know. Gives you hope, gives you purpose.